Once again, we are on another food tour. We're walking through this market where they serve fresh Guatemalan food. It's also where a lot of locals get their ingredients to make the food. And it's open from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. I think that's what I heard. So we're also going to be cooking later on. So we'll see how that goes.
I love when it's where they're like listens to their guests. Because I was like, oh, I want you to learn. I was like, does everyone want you to learn? Yes. Let's buy some chicken.
I'm going to buy some fruit for you guys. Let's focus in this area, the exotic ones, the local fruits. Yeah. Those apples, those pears. It's cool, and we will have a lot for it during the class.
So would you believe you can get 24 eggs for 32 quetzales? What is that in US?
$4.50.
Is it? $4.
Yeah.
32 is $4. $4.16.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And how much eggs in New York?
It's pretty close. $12.
On the way to the actual place that we're going to cook our food, and he was just telling us about when you go earlier in the day, things are more expensive. So, for example, a pound of tomatoes could be 50 quetzales in the morning, and then at the end of the day, it'll be 30 because they don't want to take all that food home. Sometimes at farmers markets in the States. What else did we learn?
The peppers that they make the birrias with. That's what's that called?
I don't know.
And then there's the raisin ones.
Yeah.
2 different types of pepper that we're going to be having.
As you can see, it's a little bit red. It's very
About to
good.
get smooth.
There we go. Oh, no, they played you, Sean. This cooking class and market tour is through FoodieTenango, which is a locally owned Guatemalan company. The owner, whose name is Milton, is also our guide and co-chef for today. And after this ride in the tuk-tuk, we are heading to his family's house to cook on the rooftop. It's passion fruit. Do you like passion fruit?
There is a city 5 minutes away from here, FoodieTenango. You will see a lot of places with the word Tenango, like FoodieTenango, 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 the volcano, Tenango.
It's a bit rainy. I like it.
You don't like it?
Right here.
Oh, do I?
That's fresh.
Yeah, it tastes like they put cinnamon on it.
That's what I say. For me, at least it tastes like that. This is for trash, guys.
Oh, wow.
It's good.
Yeah, I so too.
Let me try it again.
It's very soft.
Yeah, I think it's a texture I'm not a fan of.
Yeah.
You taste the sweet pear with cinnamon.
Yeah.
There is a big pit inside, so just throw the seed.
Oh, what is this again?
Jocote.
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 So sweet.
Oh, this is delicious. It's like a...
Like a
It's like
plum?
a
Like a prune, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It was like one time.
Mas bem canepa. Ganap. I have that here.
Like a gannet. We did
Canepa?
We have ganap.
Let's try the mango.
What did she flavor it with?
Mango.
Mango.
Salt, lime. pumpkin seed roasted and blended, and chile cobanero roasted and blended.
Very
Spicy.
good. Interesting.
I love this.
I guess similar to tahini.
That's our burger.
Actually,
I know that's wrong.
chile cobanero
Yeah.
was the original tahini.
Oh.
Tahini is something that they try to reply. I like
Wrong
tahini.
location.
I like tahini, but this is better, and this is the original. Chile cobanero is this hot pepper right here.
Okay.
Will
You like it?
will we be able to alter the spice of our food?
We are going to make a spicy salsa, but it's going to be separated.
Okay.
Now you can continue with the passion fruit.
How do you eat it?
Oh.
Eat all the great stuff, eat the seeds. When I have more than 5 persons, like today 6, we prepare 2 snacks. So the first snack for today is going to be tostada de guacamole. Ahí déjamela, mijo. A tostada for us is going to be a corn tortilla,
Yeah.
but in this case yellow. They are deep fried in sunflower oil, and then we got the tortillas, the tostadas. We are going to prepare guacamole with these beautiful avocados that I buy this morning in the market for you guys. I paid today for 10 avocados. I paid 15 quetzales.
Wait, for 10?
We pay 10 for 10 maybe.
10 avocados for 15 quetzales.
I don't want to.
And the quality is the best.
I love cheese.
You love cheese? What do you think on this one?
It's good. It's mild.
Yeah.
It's very, very good.
I get the feta. Yeah.
A feta?
Yeah.
Cotija? Did you have
Cotija.
The cheese, we will put it also in a tostada. This is going to be the last topping.
After being offered some wine and some delicious tea, we all worked together to start prepping the ingredients for our meal today. And our menu includes dobladas, salsa molajete, tostada, pipián, and for dessert, rellenitos. You can see all the fresh ingredients, some we got at the market, and some that Milton shopped for earlier. We are making everything from scratch, including the tortillas.
In there. I did such a good job smashing it, you know? That's
Great.
Cooking classes in other countries is a great way to learn new cooking techniques, like putting cilantro on the grill and learning how to chop a radish into small pieces without a cutting board. How to open an avocado with just our hands. We've prepped and cooked all of our food, and now it's time to eat.
Then you will continue with the radish. Radish and chicharrón. Sí. You will put some onion rings.
all about presentation.
very colorful, right? Yeah.
And you finish with the cheese.
This is a tostada, guys.
Beautiful.
Pretty, right?
Radish with chicharron.
And then
Onion.
I like onion. So.
What's that?
Parsley.
Oh, parsley.
Are you parsley bay?
Good.
And it's cheap to make. You can make it at college.
I mean, there's nothing like fresh ingredients.
It's potatoes, flour,
Yeah,
water.
Of course, yeah.
Problem is finding it's fine.
Nah. I would send someone either to, if they're okay with a long flight, Thailand or Vietnam. Because you could do beach, you could do city, there's adventure. If they just want to sit on the beach, I'll send them to like Barbados. Pretty good one too.
I'll send them to Netherlands.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't think that's enough. Another great thing about activities like this is that you get to meet people from all around the world.
We just finished our food tour.
Well,
And
it was a market tour and cooking class.
The food was delicious, and we learned a little bit about how to make some of these delicious dishes that we've been having. I would say the way we did it was really cool. We went to our tour guide's house.
Yeah, the rooftop.
Yeah, and so that was very cool.
We
Okay.
made a salsa, homemade tortillas
We had that mofongo, like the plantain.
with chocolate,
with chocolate,
like chocolate
yeah.
and bean sauce.
Yeah, so like fried plantain. It was so good.
And then we had the national dish, which I also had yesterday, but it was nice. It was definitely tastes different and home cooked. Papillion.
Papillion. Okay.
And then we had the tostada.
Oh yeah, tostadas were good too.
And then like I don't remember the name of it, but it was like kind of like an empanada, but it was filled with potatoes.
Yeah. But yeah, it was a good food tour. I would highly recommend. We'll put a link in the description.
And then we also this hibiscus iced tea drink, which was really good.
Oh,
It
that was
like,
delicious.
What was it? Hibiscus, cinnamon, lime, sugar, and water. Absolutely delicious.
I had like 6 cups of it.
And we had wine, which was really good. He's gonna send us all the recipes and the name of the wine too, because that's something I want to bring home. Now, what are we doing now? We're going to a cocktail bar called Ule. The unique thing about this cocktail bar is that there is no menu. When you arrive, they just ask you what you like, what you dislike, and they bring you a drink just based off what you share. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and come back next week to see what else we get into in Guatemala.